Alright, y'all, we're gonna go over today's trade. It's June 30th. It's 9:58 right now, but we were done at 9:38. Alright, yeah, 9:38, and we woke up literally at like 9:15. So around 15 minutes, 20 minutes, we were in and out, you know, over here is usually when we wake up and stuff, but I woke up later today. But as we see here at 8 o'clock, price went up. You know, I do see an institutional candle that it respected, but it went up to this area, 10-minute, right? This 10-minute institutional candle right here, bounced off, traded lower. It literally traded lower than the previous lows. You know, came up to here, which before there was a imbalance. There's a there is an imbalance right here that price respected and shot down, traded lower than this low, hit this area right here. It's a 15-minute institutional candle. So I was literally watching it as it, you know, traded down here. It hit this 15-minute, like I said, yep, 15-minute. And then once it came up to here, I was seeing, so let me do the little replay real quick. So right here, as you can see, I have this mark. This is a 5-minute institutional candle right here. I seen it was making, yep, on the 1 minute, it also made an institutional candle right here. This blue candle before the push down, right? I seen that here. And then, I mean, there's really nothing else to be said. Like, I got in on this right here. This institutional candle and the momentum down. Let me go on the 1 minute because that was more of when I was what I was looking at. But yeah, price came to this area, right? And y'all see this push down? I was in this, right? I caught all this, and literally we had these areas marked out beforehand. And once price hit this area, I already knew the structure of the overall, you know, phase, the environment that we're in wasn't the, you know, most solid. So I took it out at my first target right here, the 2-minute institutional candle, and boom, like I closed it, and look what happened after. Sheesh, it disrespected the area previously, and look at it continued to go up and disrespecting even more. Sheesh. So in and out, scalp, you know, up 10% for the day. Banks will never do that. Banks won't even do that for you in a year. You know what I mean? So very, very amazing day. I'm super happy, and I'm gonna be enjoying my day and helping more people out in the process. This is just amazing skill that I'm super happy that I know and I could teach people. So yeah, if you're somebody that wants to learn, click the link in the bio, and I'll see you inside the class.